We're at Lake Whitney State Park. He know who he is to me. He's setting a gorgeous park so far. I mean, the street is not very wide, but the trees, full trees, I love the trees. Our area is not very shaded, as you can see. But we're gonna, this area is shaded, so we may hang out. This one, this is my daughter's, her little spot. She will be car camping. So, nice and pretty. I have extra tarts. Okay. Elijah, why you keep bring your shoes outside?
I was about to put them on because I can't put them on because they're too tight.
We switched spots so we can be closer to that spot, since that's my daughter's spot. They were putting the tent over there, so we moved the tent to this side. Just hold up.
It's so much better.
Not done, you gotta put the top on.
Just imagine, it's just your imagine.
Petty Betty.
Wait, just go over it? You don't want to be open so you can see the
No,
stars?
nobody wants to see the stars at night.
I like to see that.
See?
You just step outside the tent and look up.
You reveling this or nothing?
Wow, it's that.
Hold it for them.
It's on the other side. I got this side.
This is pretty big. What? I hurt you.
Look at how I did it. Look at how I did it.
This is nice.
That's a nice sleep on this. Everyone.
Yes, I was gonna say we don't wear shoes in.
Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, this is cute.
Got their little chair. I didn't do the other mattress yet because that's me, Monster. Nobody wants to sleep in a tent, so I'm just gonna make it my little personal area. In the RV.
Oh, they're in the RV. So, Drinker did not come in?
Tomorrow.
Oh, they can
They'll
come
come.
in.
Mm-mm.
Oh, it was,
Bari and Jackie coming tomorrow.
oh, they can.
This is stinking cute.
Oh, I love it. The blow up chair. Wow. That is
This is my
neat.
little prayer room, my little meditation room, whatever you want to call it. I need. They're trying to hook up their little camper for the first time. We're gonna watch.
I can do it. I can. I can do it. He can't, but I can.
I'll put line that thing down that area, right?
Oh, they may need a level. Y'all bring a leveler.
No. Ain't nobody tell me about no level.
I told you to watch some videos.
Like I said.
Matter of fact, I think I sent you some videos.
Like I said. I'm only one person.
Eric, you didn't
That
watch
was
the.
his job. I told him, you supposed to be looking up. Now I can't get in this thing. What the heck? Oh. Like,
Oh, the key.
whatever. Whatever. You don't need to talk to
Me and my husband finna go get our lawn chairs and sit down and watch.
Go ahead. I got you.
He said this got something to do. They don't know. Now, I just want I want everybody to know that my husband right here, he did come and hitch it for them. We drove all the way to their house to.
This thing coming down?
It's coming down.
It's coming down?
Yeah, you got an old camper, so you got to use some muscle.
Yeah, it's coming down. I mean, it's got electrical. Yeah, you got electrical. I don't know why it's not working. Probably not hooked up to the battery up there.
Oh, you probably, yeah, that may be important. She actually refurbished this camper. I got some pictures and videos, so I'm gonna show you. Miss Pat, say hi. She did it all by herself. I'm gonna let you guys see the inside of her camper. She did an amazing job.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
She said she actually learned how to use a saw. It's going down. Oh, you figured it out?
There you go.
Okay, he figured it out. He figured something out, y'all.
Praise the Lord.
Hooked it up to it. She said, you got an O.
I bought two of these, so I don't know really which one I'm going to need. You want me to go get you a chair? I got a chair right there. You want me to get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
My husband helping them set their tent up. We have helpless campers here.
Whatever.
My son.
You're not helpless.
What do you call it?
I need further instructions.
Oh, okay.
There's a little pin in the... Oh, okay, got it. In the anchor? Yep. Oh, yeah. It's seasoning. It's called seasoning.
All right, a little salt and pepper. I got all kinds of lanterns. This man had all kinds of lights and lanterns. Do you hear me?
this? Yeah, just put it right here, close by, baby. So you have something close to that.
Ooh, that breeze feel really good.
I know, right? Here, I'm gonna pull you out of chair. I'm pulling her out of chair, y'all. Just because. So she can laugh at us. New campers. But that's okay. I'm learning.
I am
There
going.
you go.
I'm
In
going to
my
sit down.
orange chair.
And orange is her
Orange.
favorite color.
My favorite.
So I'll sit down in her orange
In
chair.
my orange chair. And tomorrow I have my orange tent up too as well.
You mean canopy?
Yeah.
Because I'm looking at a blue tent.
See, this one was given to me. If I had to buy it, it would have been.
Okay, well, look, where's the opening? Y'all got it. Y'all got it on the wrong side.
Oh, you can lift those up. Oh, this is the...
Like if it rains or something.
So this goes down into the...
He asked, what was this tarp for? This is hilarious. They want to go camping
The opening is in
and got all this equipment.
I showed you and more in the
And she hear me way over there.
and more in storage.
They got a lot of equipment. They've been wanting to go camping, so we invited them along, and she got a car full of stuff.
I do. All compliments of Mr. Phil, who's been in heaven for a whole year and still blessing me.
There's a guy that blessed them with all this stuff, so they're getting use of it this weekend.
Look at this big old huge sleeping bag. Like it is like this is a sleeping bag. But
Oh
it
yeah,
is-
you can lay that out really good. Did you bring a cot?
I didn't bring the cart.
Okay.
I started to, but
Yeah, my brother and sissy just showed up. Somebody, the new campers forgot butt wipe paper. I've been talking about her all night on my YouTube. Them two, is it novice when you new? Yeah.
no,
I understand.
She's
Yeah.
supposed to be teaching me,
They-
but she
Oh, I
criticized me.
yeah, how to do it. I know, right? Because if we
Go look, go look.
teach us too.
Go look and see how cute she made it though.
Oh my God, I have
She
been
did
working
really.
on this thing
saw
for
the
2
before,
months.
so
Oh, okay. I got pictures of the before.
2
I
months.
never saw the before. I've never seen it, so
Oh,
this is my first time seeing it. I've seen it.
Okay, I'm gonna show you the before after this.
Okay.
Yeah. raining, so, oh, my hand's in the way. So it actually feels pretty good. So they're gonna try to do a little fishing, so we'll see how that goes. I'm just gonna enjoy the breeze and the raindrops. That's what I'm about to do because this feels really, really good. It was so hot out there today. We sat at the campsite most of the time, so this is a welcome change. So I'll watch them fish. I'll be doing the lines for all the kiddos. Say hi, baby. Anyway, yeah, it's pretty fun. We got this little one running around. Got to keep an eye on him. The water is really choppy, so they're not going to put the boat out. They brought it out. Your husband say he ain't putting that boat out there?
Here.
I put it over this cove. You can put it in this cove.
Lori wants to do the cove right here.
Oh,
As
yeah.
long as we stay right here, because there's no white caps, you see.
No. Okay. Well, they're going to get out there. I'm not getting out there in no water. No, the rain is good. Look at me. I'm getting all wet.
You're not going out there.
The rain is good for me, so that's something they can have. I'll just watch everybody else.
Am I going fishing?
Yes, Papa's gonna do your line. Go over there and be patient, okay? So I'm just gonna enjoy. I'm just gonna enjoy watching everybody do their thing because I'm enjoying this breeze. It feels really, really good out here.
Hi. Did you got it? Fish and the fish somehow got themselves off. Yeah, the people, but they somehow got themselves off and made themselves into
She has her umbrella, her blue and orange chairs.
My favorite color.
She got her umbrella. Yeah. I mean, I'll need one in a minute, but you can leave it back there. Leave one for me. Pat, you better hope that chair don't blow away.
We just want to keep y'all safe, honey. One, two, go. Y'all are in rhythm. Good job, huh? Look at them. Look at them. Everybody come look at them. Look at that. Look at them. Look at the brother. Oldest and the baby. Y'all got to fish them down. Yeah. That's what they call the bookend. Look at the bookend. Look, y'all got two. That is your bookend. Like two and I did the bookend. Never. Keep waiting. Hold on, he can't even get up.
my baby. Are you having fun, love?
I am. It's wearing me out. But the love that I see, love with the family. Got all 4 of our children, all of our grandkids, in-laws. It's a nice event.
I just realized all of our grandkids are here.
Yep.
And our kids. I didn't even realize that. Oh my gosh. We gotta take a group shot.
Yep.
They're all gonna get in the boat.
Put clothes on please,
Hey, chickens. Israel, where you headed, buddy? And this is my oldest daughter, enjoying her time alone.
I see one of them little hand fans.
Need a hand fan? Where the fans at? Where the fans at? Sister-in-law, she's chilling. And why y'all in the truck, man?
Playing with toys.
Y'all baking? That's my brother Love there.
I'm not trying to be a fried chicken.
Well, you gonna be oven roasted sitting in here.
No, I'd rather be grilled.
Rotisserie.
I'd rather be grilled.
Burnt up.
Yeah. All right. You know, both of y'all breasts and wings. Breast and wings. Y'all ain't thighs, a drumstick.
Oh, they out there.
Yeah, they finna go out there.
Enjoy. So with his son and his wife, my daughter Love.
The winter was my first paycheck.
And you get a job.
Yeah, them white boys don't have
You
no
create
fear.
your own income.
They just jump out there.
See, we brought the white.
Zach comes
Oh,
out here.
you
He
know,
be
you good.
I'm doing good.
You doing good? You looking good.
Thank you.
Oh, we're on video. They can delete all of that.
No, we're not
Why?
gonna
What
delete
did
that.
y'all
We
say?
like raw and cut.
we don't want to get you.
She said we want the
No,
white
it's
kids.
in the,
Okay.
the water.
Hey, maybe we won't get stopped now.
We are.
I keep thinking that's Ross over there.
That's what I thought too.
too. When I first saw him, I
did too.
did. Yeah, I thought that was. He resembles him a lot.
Yes, it does.
See, now we got a police officer in the family, and we got diversity.
Yeah.
So no way we're gonna get stopped by the cops anymore.
We got somebody going to military,
No.
teacher.
My daughter-in-law would be the reason why we get stopped. She talks so much noise. Hey, why are you stopping us? We were not doing anything.
Ridiculous.
This is just.
Her favorite word. This is
This is ridiculous. I cannot believe you're stopping us like this. It's 2025. Two little midgets. Cheese. Burger. Hi, Kyra. You stop? You quit?
No.
Oh, you taking a break?
I'm looking for my you know what I did with the bag? That had that big plastic fish in it.
The clear bag?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you left it at
I left it at
over
the
there with the rods,
Did I?
right on the stairs.
Oh,
I was gonna grab. I'm like, well, I know she can't use the rod, so maybe
no,
she
yeah,
left it
well,
in the kitchen.
I want that big fish.
It's kind of rough over here. Oh, you all the way in the water. Boy, you got a setup. Yeah, the water is pretty clear right here on the edges.
keep the rules.
Elder granddaughter.
Zach,
Recent graduate.
Josh.
we call him Larry.
Josh.
I don't think he has.
Josh.
Probably not. Probably didn't put it on.
We gotta
Rule
get
number
Josh
2,
back.
You don't go out there in the water with your phone on.
Gotta put it in water mode.
Water.
They think they'll come back this
Which
way.
one?
Yay! Somebody go help her. Oh, that's a good side.
Good job.
I can get
I did
better.
not. Oh, that's a good one. That's the one that took all the Bari baits.
Oh, now you want to come over
Good job, baby.
I know one of them anyway.
How are we gonna split that up into things?
Well, at least Jay get to eat tonight. Where y'all fish at? Y'all don't get to
Hi,
eat.
Trinity. Hi, beautiful girl. How are you?
Look at everybody gathered over there with her one fish. Oh, it's coming. Oh, I love this breeze. The rain. I love it. I'm loving this rain. Did y'all get a picture?
Lisa don't want to touch it. I should have thrown it back.
Yeah. We didn't bring nothing to put it in.
Let me see.
Hold on, let me get. She doesn't want to touch it. Okay. All right, throw him back.
Whoa!
He's
gonna go home.
Once them gills get to moving, he'll be all right. That's what I'm talking about. You gotta work together. Work together. Roll. You go.
Roll.
Getting it down the street.
If I had some gloves on. Where's the fish at? Where's the fish at?
Grandson and his girl Isaiah. Hi, that's Isaiah and Olivia.
It's a kayaking thing or whatever.
We know who Jack is. That's little Katie. That's my youngest grandson. This is my brother Shabari.
What's that?
That's his beautiful wife Jackie. My daughter is sitting in the car. My other grandson Eli, the kid.
Why is Zach naked? Why is Zach naked?
Zach is not naked. That's T.
Dad caught us like a fish.
Tran. It's coming. It's raining again. It's my other grandson, Caden. It's my son and Zach. Zach is my granddaughter's boyfriend. My beautiful niece Jade, who just caught her fish. It is raining good now again. What'd you get? That's a little bitty one.
My bad. I wasn't trying to make it worse.
Oh, okay. Now we gotta wait for Caden to catch a fish. Let him keep throwing till he catch a fish.
That's a fresh bait too. They smelt that bait.
Look at that. Help
That look
her.
like a perch.
Help her take it off.
She's like,
Oh,
That's a perch.
too little.
Yeah, I was gonna say that look like a perch. Oh, that ain't gonna hurt you.
that's what they want you to think.
I seen them eat
Perch?
hands,
Perch will have
Jay.
no spice.
You might want to watch out.
That's what they want you to think.
You better not laugh.
You okay?
Better not laugh, mama.
He's so cute. You're such a cute little boy.
Don't be laughing.
The cheese collar.
Go back upstairs in your spot.
Okay, you can.
Don't make up your own rules. Okay. Okay. Who asked for this ice cream? Who asked for this flavor? Just eat chocolate ice cream.
Time after time. Sydney. I can go through squares. I can go through this square.
That sounds like noodles.
Stealing? See, he's messing up too.
I didn't mess up. Y'all second guessed me.
Sorry, yeah, you're right. Sorry, let me lower my voice. You see, Jackie?
Jackie, why do you still have the umbrella?
Because the sun was blazing on me.
blazing on the back of their neck.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, it got hot real fast over here.
Every time the sun come up, I'm popping this up. That mug is hot.
Yeah, I felt bad for y'all, but I was in
I felt like I was part of the
Okay, ready for some noodles and water. Boy, you gotta turn it down. I guess that's right. Since you said I don't even know how to make hamburger helper. I don't know how to do nothing without her. It's let her tell it. This is hamburger helper. I thought I put the topping in the first, but I didn't. I had the sauce. So I guess I do know what I do it a little bit. Boiling. Yeah.
It's the joy of camping with your family. But nothing can even imagine.
Don't do my husband like that. Don't do my husband like that. Don't you put that out there for the world to see.
Too late.
See, Pastor Eric.
He working on his sermon.
Yes, he is. He worked on his sermon in his sleep.
No. Look at my finger. See, you passed the parameter.
Yeah, I know you got
Following
like butt cheeks.
Oh, wow.
Where's water at?
Oh, let's okay. Let's see if I can.
I need.
Andre, your uncle said that's a salt.
Somebody bring me the pepper.
I need water.
We had to come in. It is storming outside, so we're watching movies. Woo!
Yo, roll up that window.
He's staying in a tent. Oh, your what?
My slippers.
I think he put him in the tent.
No, they're wet.
We had one tent flood, so they're trying to move stuff out of one tent. Oh my gosh. Into another tent. Your tent gonna be completely wet. He threw a water bottle and it went under the camper. Just let the air out of the sofa. Morning, we're packing up. It's still raining with a casualty in one of the tents. It's flooded out, so we're not gonna get that. We're not gonna keep this one. Let me see how much water that was left in here.
Have you found like the whole, oh, it's all on that side.
Yeah, it flooded over in there.
So are we saving the price and the tarp?
Yeah, just
not
the pipe.
the tent.
Yeah, the tent
You
can
won't keep
go
any
because
of
the
the
bottom
poles?
is split somewhere.
Are we keeping any of the poles?
That's up to your dad.
Nah. Alright.
So we
We'll
don't,
make sure-
it's split somewhere, but we're not, I'm trying to find out where the water was coming in from. We're just going to get rid of it.
I see where the water coming in from the bottom.
Well, we know it's coming from the bottom, even with the tarp. But this one stayed completely dry, so we're good with this one.
I can't say completely, but
Well, you had a window open, dude.
come in here real quick.
What?
I'll show you where. Don't trip now.
Where's the water coming in?
This side.
Okay, it may just be the tarp.
I mean, it's,
Yeah,
you
it
know,
could
you
be.
won't see that every rain.
No. No, it rained pretty good all night long, so. Yeah, maybe we keep that tarp for something. It can actually even go on the bottom for something. But we don't want a tent that floods at the bottom. My brother and them packing up over there. So I'm gonna get out of this rain so I can, it's more holes on that couch, Pooh. You just gotta pull them all out. Is that the couch?
It's the bed.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay.
God dang it, Tart. Gosh dang it. I had good plans for this tent. I had it set up and everything.
I didn't. Did you get a picture?
Yeah, we got a couple pictures. It was laid out perfectly. We could play a board game. We could go watch a movie. It would be fun. But the rain got us. I guess it rained on your parade, huh?
It rained on your parade. All right, so I'm gonna go back in and start the inside.